Being miserable comes from avoiding problems or wishing you had no problems in your life, and believing the problems that you presently have in your life have no solution. What's up everybody, it's your boy Collins Odhiambo and welcome to my show Collins Elevate You, where we're all about shifting mindsets and raising potential. Now today we are going to be talking about the myth around happiness. You know, growing up we were taught, we learned so much about happiness through what we saw, through what we had, on TV, on radio, on social media, or what we saw other people perceive to be happiness. And because of that, we never questioned what we believe when it comes to the true source of happiness, where happiness comes from, how to be happy in life. I recently came across some great writing about happiness, and I really believe it is the true meaning and essence of happiness. For me, what I've come to learn about my life looking back is I've always wanted to have more. In sports, I always wanted to have more trophies, more certificates, or more wins. All these things I thought would make me happy. You understand? But what I've come to learn is once you accomplish and you get these things, you have a small period of happiness. You know, that small period where you're like, I had a goal, I've achieved it, now it is here. And then what comes to your mind is, I have to go out and find and get more things. And if you're always living that kind of life where your true source of happiness is from without, then my friend, you're always going to be going after things and you'll never get any real fulfillment out of life, because your source of happiness is on the outside. You know, you're like, once I get that lady, I'll be happy. Once I make this amount of money, I'll be happy. Once I'm this big, I'll be happy. Or this thin, I'll be happy. You understand? But the real essence of happiness is from a different place, as I've come to learn. If there's something that is constant in our life, it is problems. No matter who you are, you'll always have problems in life. Now, if you make a decision, a happy decision of joining the gym, my friend, you've just created a number of problems that you have to solve. Number one, you have to change your diet. If you've been like KFC all day, no, my friend, you have to be like Skuma Wiki all day. You understand? If you've been drinking, you have to change, you have to reduce it. If you've been sleeping late, you have to get enough sleep. You have to endure the pain in your muscles when you start. You have to endure the discipline to go to the gym each and every day to work out. Yes, you have the vision, you have the goal, but you've created a number of problems. But here's the thing, what I've come to learn. The true source of happiness is solving problems. Because problems are constant in our life. I mean, that's why we give up. We set these goals, we are pumped up in January, we want to do all this stuff, but then you realize the things you have to do, the obstacles you have to face, aka the problems that you've created by making a happy decision. Once you make that decision, my friend, you're creating problems. And most of us realize the problems that we have to face and we give up. But that is the true source of happiness. Problems never stop. They are merely exchanged and or upgraded. Happiness comes from solving problems. Once you understand that happiness comes from solving problems, my friend, you'll live a happy life. And the secret sauce in that is the word solving. You understand? Solving problems. Because now we've learned that problems are a constant part of our lives. No matter what decision you make, you create a number of problems in the future. aka things you have to go through for you to achieve that goal, for you to be that kind of person. There are some things you have to solve. Those are problems. And by solving those problems in your life, you become a happier person. Being miserable comes from avoiding problems or wishing you had no problems in your life, and believing the problems that you presently have in your life have no solution. So the question is, do you want to be happy? The answer is simple: find problems to solve. Any successful brand that you know is solving a problem in the society. Problems are part of life, and they are the true source of happiness. If you decide to have a business, for example, you'll have to employ people, you'll have to maybe do interviews, something that you've never done, you'll have to be sitting in meetings. These are all problems that you're creating, but they'll get to that goal of satisfying your customer, making an impact in the society, making some money for yourself and for your family and for your legacy. You understand? Once you understand that the true source of happiness is from solving problems, you stop going after things outside here and you come back to your inner self. And you ask yourself one serious question: what problem am I willing to face each and every day and to create solutions for? Once you understand this, and you accept and you say to yourself, I'm going to be facing this problem each and every day, and I'm going to have a solution, my friend, you're going to be happy with yourself. Happiness is an activity. You have to be engaged. You have to be doing something. It is action oriented. The truth is, for many of us, life is not that simple. Find problems and solve them. Life is not that simple. And I understand, because I was once there and I've been there a number of times. But we mess our lives mainly because of two reasons. First of all, denial. We deny that we have a problem in life, or in school, or in our workplace, or in our attitude, or with our finances. We deny that we have a problem. With our anger, we deny that we have a problem, and hence we never go forward to find a solution, to get help. And you live a miserable life, never enjoying any source of or any feel of happiness, because you are denying. The second thing is, you have a victim mentality. This is a huge one, because I've been there. Talking about, I wasn't so smart in class. Why should I even be able to speak in front of people? I must have those degrees before I get to this place or to get this job. And the problem with these two things is they leave you miserable, with no direction, with no solution. And as I've said, the only way you're going to be happy in this life is by solving problems. So stop denying and stop playing the victim. You understand? Get solutions, get help, and move on with your life. Because the more you deny, the more the problems are piling up. The bad thing about that is we try to find an escape route. At times it's through smoking, eating, doing drugs, drinking. And the sad thing is, once you come back to your soberness, my friend, the problems are always there waiting for you. Once you can no longer hold them inside, they blow up, and at times people are hurt, or you hurt yourself, or at times even people lose their lives. We've seen this in the tabloids, in news. And we have to understand that we'll always have problems in our lives, and the only way you're going to be happy is by finding solution to these problems. So I hope this video inspires you to go outside today and face your problems, no matter if they are small or abstract. Face your problems with the mentality of getting a solution. You've already done it. If you're watching this video, my friend, you've solved so many problems just today when the alarm went off, and you're able to solve that problem of waking up and getting yourself to work. My friend, you can do it. Okay? And I hope this video gives you a breakthrough to be able to find happiness in your day, in your life. and create something in your life. Okay, other than that, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my page Collins Elevates Africa, follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at Collins_EU. Let us connect. Until next week, guys, remember to love your life. It is the only life you have. Live fully. This is the only day you have, and create a legacy while you still can. Other than that, guys, love you all, yo. Peace. Can I get a dab?